Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change, adjust and set the time on the Casio G-Shock GBA-900. If your time or date is wrong, this will fix it. Let's start. First, make sure the watch is on the normal time screen. Now press and hold the lap button. Hold it for a few seconds. The watch hands will move out of the way. This makes the screen easy to see. The seconds will start blinking. You can't set seconds by number. Press the start button to reset them to 0. Now press the mode button once. The minutes will start blinking. Press the light button to move the number down. For example, 8 goes to 7, then 6, 5, 4. Press the start button to move the number up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Adjust the minutes until they look right. Press the mode button again. Now the hours will blink. Use light to go down. Use start to go up. Press mode again. Now set the month and set the date. When everything looks correct, press the LAP button once more. The watch will save the settings. The hands will return to normal. That's it. Your time and date are now set. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.